Autos and ninjas, let us quickly prepare a Sunday meal, a stamp, chicken, and a salad. So first thing first, I always wash my chicken. I know I've seen videos where people say they do not wash the meat, but I wash mine. So these are the vegetables that I will use to make my salad, and these are the spices that I will use. You can choose any spices of your choice. I've used pepper, the six gun, and I think the other one is barbecue. I'm not sure, and a little bit of aromat. It just makes things more nicer. And these are my vegetables that I've prepared for my salad, and I added mayonnaise instead of vinegar. I love mayonnaise, and also added a bit of sugar on my salad. So this is my stamp. I added carrots with aromat, and then I did add rama and cremora to make it nice. This is my special stamp. I love making this, especially when I'm happy for my family, so they really enjoy this one. And this is how it looks like when it's done, and it's ready to be served, guys. It is so nice. I believe that you will try it, because I'm sure, I am 100% sure you will not regret. While you're watching this video, please make sure that you do subscribe, you follow, you comment. I would deeply appreciate that. And voila, it is time to dish up. Food is ready.
Je cherche un homme, un homme, un homme, un Pierre